Hello students, welcome to lecture 12 of knowing numbers. In that we will do rounding of numbers. Today we will do rounding off to the nearest 100. Last time we did to nearest 10. Today we will do to the nearest 100. Now see, there are some points. To round off a number to nearest 100, first we should decide that between like which two hundreds the number lie. Okay, first we will decide that between which two hundreds a number lie. Meaning of this is, suppose I am giving you 324. We know that 324 means this number lies between 300 and 400. So the meaning of this line is that whatever number is given, if it is given in thousands, suppose say 4560, then you have to see the 100 only, but it will lie between 4500 to 4600. So the meaning of this line is between which two hundreds a number lie. Secondly, now the second point is, when a number is given, we have to look at the two digits at the extreme right. See children, you please write it along with me. Whatever lecture you see, please write it. Maths is just not to listen and understand. You have to write, you have to practice. Extreme right means, the same example if I take, then 24 is called the extreme right. That the last two numbers, we can say the last two numbers. Okay, this is called the extreme right. Once you decide the two digits of the extreme right, then what you will check, whether these two digits, the given two digits, that if two digits, okay, is less than 50, then it is rounded off to previous 100. Meaning of this is, previous 100 means, see, 324, extreme right, two numbers are 24. 24 is less than 50. First thing is, where does the number lie? It lies between 300 and 400. As this is less than 50, the previous, this is the called the previous, that is the previous 100. And this is the last one, next 100 we can say, or the larger number you can say. Okay, so you have to say this. So this is rounded off to 300. This number will be rounded off to 300. Okay, got it? You have to do it like this. Now let us take another. The next point is that if the number, that is if the last two digits, we can say if the last two digits of the number, please write it along with me. You should write and understand. Okay, is equal to or greater than 50, then the number, that is, then it is rounded off to the next 100. Okay, it is rounded off to the next 100. Suppose I give you an example, 675. First we will check that this number lies between which two hundreds. Then it is lying between 600 and 700. Now extreme right are 75. it is greater than 50. So next 100. So it is rounded off to 700. 650 is rounded off to 700. But same thing, if I write 650, then again it will lie between 600 and 700. 50 is equal to 50. So again the next 100. So here also it will be rounded off to 700. We know this rule is in tens also, rounding of the number to nearest 10 also. Okay, let us take one more example. Suppose we take 332. It will, first point is between which two hundreds, then 300, 400. First point is satisfied. Second point we will say extreme right. Second point is look at the digits to the extreme right of the number, which is 32. Now the third point is this 32 is greater than or less than 30. Then 32 is less than, 50. It is less than 50. As it is less than 50, go to the previous 100. As it is less than 50, go to previous 100, that is 300. Okay, so we will say 332 is closer to 300. Therefore 332 is rounded down or rounded off to 300. Okay, next example, if I give you, we will take it in thousands. 6650, round it to nearest 100. First, what will I do? I have to check this now. 6000 is there, it will remain, but it is 100, so we will check 650. Then it lies between 6600 and 6700. It lies between these two. Now let us check the extreme right numbers, that is 50, which is equal to 50. Okay, so we will go to the next 100. Therefore 6000 and we will write 6650 is closer to 6700, hence 6650 is rounded off to 6700. Got it? This way you need to do. Okay, one more example if I give you. Suppose we will write 7254. Then hundreds we have to round it off to nearest 100. Then we'll check this, that is 254. So it lies, the number lies between 7200 and 7300. Now the extreme two digits, that is the last two digits, 54 is greater than 50. So we will go to the next 100, that is 7300. Okay, so we can say that 7254 is rounded off to 7300. Got it? One more example I would like to take, and that is, if I take 8750, round it to nearest 100, then what? As it is 700, we will say 8700, 8800. Got it? Now this number is lying somewhere between them. Extreme right, 50 is equal to 50. So next 100. means this. Therefore, 8750 is rounded off to 8800. Correct? This is nothing but rounding of a number. Also, you can take a short way. I'll show you the shortcut next time. Okay, but first practice this. So here I end my lecture. I'll be sending you more practice on rounding of the numbers to tens and hundreds. Please do them. Thank you very much. And please like, share and subscribe our channel. Please practice, practice and practice.